So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make $862 by playing an iPhone game here on the Freecash application. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on Earn. Once you guys are on the earn screen right here, there are going to be some offers available to you guys in regards to which apps you can download, which games you can play, and how to earn money by playing those games. So in this case, if I wanted to earn $862, just scroll down. In this case, for me, it's Monopoly Go, where I can earn a maximum of $862.46 simply by downloading and playing the game here. So if I were to go ahead and just press on the little I right here, you can actually see how to earn the money by playing the game. So for example, if I were to reach board 26 within 90 days, I can earn $19, right? In this case, reach board 31 within 90 days, I can earn $16, etc. So you can earn some rewards this way. You can scroll down, earn some daily rewards. So in this case, if I were just to play 2 minutes of downloading this game, I can earn a free 2 cents, right? A pretty easy 2 cents. If I want to play in 2 different days, 22 cents. Whatever the case may be, a bunch of different rewards that you can unlock while playing this game and earn yourself some actual cash just by playing, in this case, Monopoly Go. So simply go ahead, download the game, complete the challenges, earn the rewards that way, and you can actually earn some real life money, upwards of $862 by playing Monopoly Go. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can earn $862 by playing an iPhone game here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.